Namaskar, I'm Ashok Vyas. These days, COVID 19 have taken the center stage of our minds and existence. And a lot of clinicians from our diaspora are on the front lines of this fight against coronavirus. Today, we will meet one innovator, Dr. Nilesh Soni, who has developed a specialized program called COVID 19 Rehabilitation Program to help flatten the curve, which is very much needed. Dr. Nilesh Soni is a well known expert in the field of physical therapy and vast clinical experience spanning over 30 years. His credentials include a doctorate from Harvard affiliate MGH Institute as well as multiple masters in biomechanics. Dr. Soni and his team of expert physical therapists have helped more than 20,000 New Yorkers restore their physical functions at Dynamic Physical Therapy. Dynamic Physical Therapy is one of the very few Indian owned health services listed on the prestigious Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing companies in the United States. To learn more about Dr. Soni's awards, recognition, and community services, the website is one special way. The COVID 19 rehabilitation program and related details are easily visible on the website, where we can learn about the effect of coronavirus on our body and a solution to fight our way out of this crisis. Indeed, there are ways to register for free consultation and start the path of recovery. And the way world is moving, we need those who can help us stay in the healthy way. I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Nilesh Soni ji from Dynamic Physical Therapy. Nilesh ji, welcome. Namaste.
Namaste, Ashok ji, and namaste to all the viewers. I'm glad to be here.
It was 30 years ago that he decided to start this in response to community need for a state of art outpatient physical therapy practice. This practice is dedicated towards pain management and treatment of elderly population. His credentials include Doctorate of Physical Therapy from MGH Institute of Health Sciences, Masters in Physical Therapy from New York University, and he did another Masters in Physical Therapy from University of Bombay, India. And he is a board certified geriatric clinical specialist by the American Physical Therapy Association. We are in the middle of a very challenging phase for the whole world.
Well, I feel that in today's circumstances, we all our attention, focus, and sort of center of our existence has become this crisis, coronavirus or COVID-19 crisis.
Let us learn from you when you started becoming aware of how this coronavirus is affecting all of us, and especially from the point of view of health. What went on in your mind?
And it has hit me personally at several levels. My few of my dear friends who are in practice of medicine, they have been significantly affected, so much so that they few of them were hospitalized for weeks, and I've seen them touching that gray line of life and death, as per their comments, that they at some point of their hospitalization they were worried on which side of the line they were, and when they came home I saw them really weak. They battled. They were and they won over the acute medical condition, and they were home. Like when they came home, one of my friends, he lost 30 pounds, and he could barely make to the bathroom by walking, or he could if he climbed one flight of stairs, he could hardly sustain his breath. He will get short of breath by just climbing one flight of stairs in the house. So I've seen my close circle of friends being affected, in a significant way by the coronavirus.
Now, talking about your expertise, and when you see someone in pain, you have always been active in finding ways that you can assuage their suffering. Dr. Soni has mentored hundreds of physical therapists and has conducted over 1,000, yes, over 1,000 lectures to educate community dwelling older adults. In case of the physical challenges which people who were affected by COVID-19 coronavirus, I heard about your innovative approach to help people uh, move back to their healthy side through a COVID-19 rehabilitation program. If you share some snippets of what is this COVID-19 rehabilitation program?
So, Ashokji, let's recap what happens to your body when coronavirus hits you. We all know through the news media and all the articles which are up on on Google and other outlets. But in medical community, we are aware of things which goes beyond lungs. Means आपको कोरोना वायरस का इफेक्ट हुआ है तो आम लोग जानते हैं कि आपके लंग्स को बड़ा असर होता है. यू मे गेट न्यूमोनिया लाइक सिम्टम्स, यू मे गेट शॉर्ट ऑफ ब्रेथ. बहुत सीरियस केसेस में आपको इंक्यूबेटर लगाना पड़ता है और इंट्यूबेशन करने के बाद आपको इट्स ए बिग रोड टू रिकवरी with medications and support and whatnot. Lekin, along with the lungs, a lot of other body systems are getting affected. जैसे कि let's take for example, आपको gastrointestinal symptoms हो सकते हैं जिसमें nausea, vomiting, diarrhea हो सकता है. आपको muscle ache हो सकते हैं. You can have extreme muscle fatigue. You can have tightness in your muscles. So आपकी muscular system affect होती है. बाद में अभी बहुत सारे केसेस आते हैं जिसमें न्यूरोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट होती है, जिसमें जो बोलते हैं गिलन-बारी सिंड्रोम. उसमें you have a sudden onset of weakness and paralysis of your body. That has been associated with coronavirus. People who got deconditioned and weak and cannot eat because of loss of appetite and loss of the sense of smell and taste, they have deconditioned so much that they get headaches, fainting, dizziness. And so forth and so on. There are many other systems of your body getting affected by coronavirus. All of these effects can lead to significant weakening of your body. And in simple words to understand, we call deconditioning.
I have heard from people who are on their road to recovery, there is difficulty breathing, and this shortness of breath, it kind of makes you think that there is no way out other than waiting. And especially when we think about physical therapy, then people who don't know, laymen like me, would think that you are going to be doing some soft exercises. So if you have shortness of breath, then how that option is open for you?
Right. So let's understand that. If you are hospitalized and somebody is on a acute phase of coronavirus, obviously the doctors will suggest you to rest and take medications and maintain all the precautions. What we are talking, this rehab program, what I'm talking about is when you are done with the acute phase of the disease, when you are in the recovery mode. जैसे आपको बताते हैं कि आपको अभी इतना डेंजर नहीं है, आप क्वारंटाइन करो, घर पर रेस्ट करो और बन सके उतना मूवमेंट करो. This is the stage where you have to put in the program, which what I call COVID-19 rehabilitation program. So there is a differentiation between doing exercises when you are having acute medical disorder versus you are in the sort of recovery phase after that acute episode. So yeah, Miss, you're right. जब आपको बैठे बैठे सांस चढ़ती हो तो exercise is not the thought coming to your head. But when you are done with that acute phase and you're generally weak, and any activity, small activity, leads to shortness of breath, and you are unable to do your daily movements, that's where I come in.
So let me understand from you the muscular weakness that people experience. The rehabilitation program that you have, how it helps them in gaining strength.
So well, we have. Miss, I started this idea by helping my physician friends. As I was telling you earlier, कि जो मेरे करीबी दोस्त थे, जो डॉक्टर दोस्त थे, उनको ये बीमारी हुई, तो ऐसे ही हर रोज की जो उनसे बात होती रहती थी. तो it started by helping them to develop some strength and regain their functions. And then this idea kicked in. Okay, let me research a little more on all the aspects of this weakness and develop this program. So uh, the the COVID rehab program, which I have sort of formulated, it has 4 components. It includes how would you learn how to breathe, back normally. Then it includes how to loosen the tight muscles. Then how to develop core muscle strength in your body, or how to regain that core muscle strength. And the last part would be how you would apply all this strength and flexibility you gain to regain functions of daily living, like activities of daily living, like going to the car, lifting groceries, or going out for a run, or going back to work.
And everybody wants to get back to the normal life. So talking about someone who has been in the situation of COVID-19 effects, basic questions that you are aware people have in their mind is, how can I have stronger lungs and avoid COVID? For that is for those who feel if maybe they were exposed somewhere and they are fine yet, but something may happen. So before we get to the rehabilitation program, if I may request you to share your insight for people who who are vulnerable, they are fine, but so in nutshell, this becomes a question of having stronger immunity, I think.
Yes. So, when you talk about immunity, let me just touch base on diabetics too. So they say COVID-19 has sort of more impact, negative impact on people having diabetes. वो क्यों है? क्योंकि if you have high blood sugar, your immune system is less equipped to fight this virus. So means you are more prone to get hit by the virus significantly. So from the same point, think of other things. If you are having stronger lungs, if you are having flexible body, if you are having stronger strength, like your muscles are strong, then your ability to fight the disease will be higher. In simple words, अगर आप चलो इंडिया में चलाते हो, बाइक चलाते हो और आप हाईवे पर हो, तो आपकी बाइक में रिजर्व में पेट्रोल है, तो आप petrol khatam hone ke baad bhi you can go on for 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers because of the reserve you had. Same thing with our body. We create reserve for our lungs. We create reserve for our muscles. We create reserve for our balance. By doing that, even if I don't have, if I'm not hit by coronavirus today, I'm better prepared if in case, unfortunately, I'm exposed to the virus. So the people, I think the people have these questions in their mind. कि अगर मैं अपने बॉडी को स्पेशली लंग्स को कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकता हूँ, या अगर मुझे कोरोना वायरस हुआ है तो मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि मेरे लंग्स में न्यूमोनिया हुआ, फाइब्रोसिस हुआ और उसकी वजह से डैमेज हो गया है. So how long does it take to recover from that damage? I just reviewed a study from Johns Hopkins, and they say that the negative effects of coronavirus on your lungs can take anywhere between 3 months to about a year to sort of recoup from. And I think that's where I come in. I can help you shorten the duration by offering you a very structured program to strengthen your lungs and your body.
So one, I'm happy that you have this innovative or time sensitive way of designing something so valuable for people who are looking forward to getting back to their strength. Now,
so the COVID-19 rehabilitation program is a 4-week long program, and it has 4 phases: the breathe right, on the move, being strong, and pumped up. So through this program, we will put you on a path of active lifestyle. You can schedule an appointment today by visiting our website, www.dynamicpts.com. and we will help you within 24 hours.
Welcome to Dynamic Physical Therapy, where we strive to get results, not just a Band-Aid. Our therapists are experts in identifying the root cause of your pain and eliminating them for good. Dynamic Physical Therapists are all highly trained in manual therapy and are musculoskeletal experts. They understand how your body works and are highly successful in locating dysfunctions. They use proven scientific methods to get long-lasting pain results.